What up, people? It's the moment you've all been waiting for. Orange Squad announcement. Do you like the orange in the background? It's actually on this side. Okay, you ready? Okay. This is second grade. Elise Perieski, Monica Steinmetz, Reagan Randazzo, Sophie Cross, Ada Kane, Aiden Davis, Mackenzie Sadler, Jacob Morris, Noah Fleming, Hazen Noel, Olivia Miller. I'm being a little too loud, I think. Annabella Martin, Charlie Chapman, Ava Costello, Miranda Turpek, Isabella Busa, Mikkel Murphy, Mikey Cox, Evelyn Lingy, Gabby Calderon, Caitlin Close, Layla Chapman, Miranda Corder, Haley Cross, Joe Eaton, Anthony Gonzalez, Maddox Hewlett, Rhodey Kalkoa, Mila, Blake Zachary, Sasha Duncan, Jade Gregory, Mason Holloway, Mila Morris, Jeremiah Daniels, Natalie from Miss Shuey's room, Brooks Bowler, Sophia Foster, Addison Burgai, Violet Alioto, and Ahmed Aldugani. And here's third grade. And everybody's favorite speech teacher is here to announce third grade. Armani Holt, Olivia Chamberlain, Tyler Polite, Kennedy Warren, Livia Boucher, Caden German, Rihanna Collins, Aiden Lupini, Olivia Sick, Jillian Gates, Gracie Kraft, Chloe Lewandowski, Christian Hassler, Grayson Malik, Sophia Love, Lila Kozlowski, Micaiah Sadler, Tyler Philpo, Haley Holloway, Mason Salas, Emma Jakubik, Sophia Balo, and Abram McCall.
All right, we got Mrs. Doran and Mr. Rupa coming at you with your fourth grade Orange Squad. Drum roll, please. We've got Olivia Lapo, Kaylee Linares, Skylar Warren, Mason Eshelman, Mr. Ty Sendry, Jillian Belinsky, Tiara Taylor, Asher McCall, Cole Youngs, Sebastian Osono, Bella Halowinski, Caleb Medella, and
Addison Reed, Sierra Taylor, Ayla Schrank, Ethan Shank, Joshua Brune, Brooke Duncan, Jocelyn Sundin, Joey Cox, Malik Avgadi, Sydney Duncan, Emily Lambert, Madeline Mead, Jesse Belinsky, Asher Jensen, Katie Shearhorn, Morgan Ward, and Callie Baker.
All right, now we have our fifth grade leaders. We have Melody Reed, Nolan Marcon, Robert Tittle, Peyton Covell, Tino Salas, Chloe Trevette, Owen Keith, Ben Sosleski, Gage Pruitt, Jack Johnson, Athena German, Abrielle Greaves, Landon Bernadine, Aiden Schramm, Ashley Upton, Alex Stepaniak, Kylie Moore, and Austin Davis.